Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to disable Instagram account temporarily. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, just head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. From there, just tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, go to Account Center. From here, go to Personal Details. Now go to Account Ownership and Control. From here, head over to Deactivation or Deletion. Now select your Instagram account. Now make sure you check mark on deactivate account. It says deactivating or disabling your account is temporarily, and it means that your profile will be hidden or on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account, and then tap on continue. And here you have to give your or enter your password of your Instagram account and tap on continue. Once you do it, your Instagram account will be disabled or deactivated temporarily. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.